Erysipelas protection in swine, to my knowledge, it's not very often done by practitioners, unfortunately, because there are not that many assays that can be used. There are a couple of commercial ELISAs. They are not really meaningful most of the time. There are some PCRs that people are using. There is also the possibility of doing isolation of the bacteria, but all of these things are mainly done when people have a problem that they consider to be associated with Erysipelas. So routinely, diagnostics for Erysipelas is not commonly done. The most important strains of Erysipelas are serotype 1A, serotype 1B and serotype 2. In 80% of all of the isolates, it will be one of these three. There are others, but the others are less important. Those include serotype 5, serotype 10, and some others. But the most important ones definitely are 1A, 1B, and 2. I would select an appropriate serology assay, and then I would collect 30 serum samples from different stages of growing pigs and also from sows, and look at the serum values over time and make mean titers and then plot it and see what's going on a farm. The vaccine protective capacity of swine, of Erysipelas in swine, can probably be tested by the same means, by using serology, by using PCR, and by checking pigs that died for the bacterium, can it be found or not. Well, if I want to determine if a pig has died of Erysipelas, what I would recommend is to collect relevant tissues. That would include liver and spleen, possible skin lesions. Then these can be tested for presence of Erysipelas either by PCR or by enrichment culture or by immunohistochemistry for Erysipelas. And if all of these are negative, then probably there is a different cause. But if Erysipelas is the cause, one of these will be positive. Serology and IgG ELISAs can be used very easily for validating vaccine compliance. For instance, if I take serum samples from pigs prior to vaccination and then add vaccination 4 weeks later, 8 weeks later, normally I see a very good increase in IgG levels, and that gives me an indication that all of these pigs have been successfully vaccinated. If that is combined with data from a challenge experiment, probably we could also identify a titer that can be correlated with protection, but experimental data of that are lacking to date.